Everyone thinks the best-selling above-ground pool cover is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, LXKCKJ 10 FT Round Pool Cover. The LXKCKJ 10 FT Round Pool Cover caught my eye with its sleek black design and impressive features, all for just $38.99. If you want a solid cover that keeps your pool clean and protected, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cover features a 3-layer waterproof and UV-resistant coating that blocks 99% of harmful rays. It can reduce water evaporation by up to 90%, which means less hassle and fewer chemicals needed to maintain your pool. With 4,900 reviews and a solid 4 rating, it's been popular among users who appreciate its durability and ease of use. But I'll be real with you, some customers mentioned that the drawstring closure didn't hold up as well as expected during windy conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're in a calmer area or plan to pair it with additional weights, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to keep your small pool clean and safe. Skip this one if you live in an area with regular high winds and need something more robust. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if that drawstring issue worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, UIRWAY 500D Pool Cover 18 FT Round. Next up is the UIRWAY 500D Pool Cover, priced at $89.99. What stood out to me was its heavy-duty design, which promises to withstand some serious weather. If you want a cover that can handle the elements, this is definitely worth your attention. It features gel-coated anti-slip straps that provide a secure fit even in high winds, which is crucial if you live in a storm-prone area. Plus, its UPF 50+ protection blocks 99.9% of harmful UV rays while reducing water evaporation by 90%. With a rating of 4.3 stars from nearly 900 reviews, users love its durability and ease of installation. Now, some people complained about the setup process being complicated. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it provides a secure fit that lasts. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with fluctuating weather and want a durable cover. Skip this if you prefer a simple, no-fuss installation process. For the protection it offers, it's worth every penny. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for durability and ease of use. Product number 3, QH Home 18 FT Round Pool Cover. Let's talk about the QH Home 18 FT Round Pool Cover, retailing at $72.99. I was impressed by its patented windproof design and how snugly it fits. If you're looking for something that won't budge in the wind, keep this one in mind. The standout feature here is the patented ratchet and weight rings, which provide a tight fit and can withstand winds over 100 mph. It's made with upgraded 500D Oxford fabric that has a tier strength of 330 pounds, which means it's built to last. The cover also effectively blocks UV rays, keeping your water clean and reducing the need for chemicals. With a solid 4.2-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, this is a popular choice. But I did notice some users mentioned that it can be a bit heavy to manage alone. Now, some people complained about its weight making it harder to install. But here's the thing, if you have someone to help you out, the durability is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a cover that can withstand harsh weather conditions. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to handle alone. It's a great investment for long-term protection. Now, if you found that weight issue concerning, the next cover might just fit the bill for an easier experience. Product number 4, QH Home 10x16 FT Oval Pool Cover. Next, we have the QH Home 10x16 FT Oval Pool Cover priced at $56.99. What I loved about this one is its eco-friendly material and user-friendly design. If you want something safe and easy to manage, you'll want to hear more. This cover is made from odorless, eco-friendly PU clear material that's safe for children and pets. The 500D fabric used here also has a tier strength of 330 pounds, which means you won't have to worry about it ripping easily. Plus, it effectively blocks rainwater and keeps your water clean, with a stellar 4.2 stars from over 1,100 reviews. But I did see a few customers mentioning that it requires some adjustments for a perfect fit. Now, some people complained about the initial setup needing some tweaking. But honestly, once you get it right, it's a solid cover. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and ease of use. Skip this if you want a cover that's ready to go right out of the box. For the protection it offers, it's a fantastic buy. Alright, that's a solid option. But the last one on my list has some unique features you might really appreciate. Product number 5. UIRWAY 18 FT Round Pool Cover with Reflective Strips. Finally, we have the UIRWAY 18 FT Round Pool Cover, available for $72.99. I was captivated by its reflective strips and durable material. If you want something that's both functional and safe at night, keep this on your radar. What's really neat is its reflective strips that enhance visibility at night, making it safer around the pool area. Plus, it keeps debris out and prevents water from stagnating, which is crucial for maintaining your pool's hygiene. With a 4-star rating from 1,800 reviews, this cover is well received. However, some users did mention that the reflective elements can wear off over time. Now, some people complained about the longevity of the reflective features. Here's the thing though, if you're more focused on the overall protection and safety, this cover still delivers. This is perfect for you if you need extra safety features for nighttime. Skip this if you're looking for something that's purely about aesthetics. Given its features, it's a good investment for peace of mind. That wraps up our list of solid pool covers. Each of these options offers something unique, whether it's durability, ease of installation, or safety features. To recap, we've covered the LXKCKJ for affordability, the UIRWAY for heavy-duty durability, the QH Home for wind protection, the QH Home Oval for eco-friendliness, and the UIRWAY reflective cover for added safety. Each has its strengths, so think about what features matter most for your pool needs.